These Pyle three-way car stereo speakers deliver impressively full sound for factory replacements, with enough headroom to play modern music clearly at higher volumes without strain. The triaxial design, combining a sturdy poly-injection woofer with dedicated mid-range and high-frequency drivers, gives vocals and instruments a crisp, well-balanced character across the spectrum. A durable butyl rubber surround and protective magnet boot help these speakers stand up to daily driving conditions and temperature swings without degrading quickly. Their 6-inch by 8-inch footprint and modest mounting depth make them a straightforward swap for many original door or side panel speakers, even in tighter spaces. Included wiring, grills, and mounting hardware simplify installation so that most do-it-yourself owners can get them up and running with minimal extra parts. Overall, these speakers offer a noticeable upgrade in clarity, punch, and detail over typical stock car speakers while remaining easy to fit into a wide range of vehicles.